Let's challenge the dishwasher with a steamed egg bowl. Once this protein hardens, it's a nightmare to wash by hand. As you can see, the egg residue is completely dried onto the bowl. Let me try hand washing it first to prove this is the real deal. I'm scrubbing hard, but the stuck-on bits won't come off. Let's try a steel wool scrub. It takes a lot of effort. Still won't come off. Normally, you'd have to soak this for a long time. This dishwasher has already been fitted with a steel wool cleaning head. Look, it's the exact same bowl from before. A standard cycle takes 40 seconds, with the actual washing time being around 20 seconds. In real-world use, you don't need to pre-wash. Just put the dirty dishes straight in. The earlier demo was just to prove there's no camera trickery. This video is a single continuous shot with no edits. While prepping meals, you can just toss dirty dishes in as you go, so they don't pile up. It keeps the kitchen tidy, and plates go in just like bowls. It's out. There's still a tiny bit of residue left. Let's put it back in for one more round. In daily use, swapping out a piece of tableware only takes 5 seconds. You don't have to stand here waiting. You can go do your own thing. Just come back and swap it when it's done, or let another family member pop a new one in. I usually just stand here and scroll through my phone for a bit. Time flies when you're on your phone. But if I stay silent and just stare at it without music, time feels much slower. Since you've already washed some dishes during prep, and the early finishers will drop their bowls in as they go, you'll only have 3 or 4 items left by the time the last person finishes. You won't be stuck here for 10 minutes loading everything at once. This distributed washing actually fits our daily habits much better. And now, it's perfectly clean.